desktop app looks on the stream. Pretty much looks the same.
Hope you like it.
Yeah, I had my layout designed to cut off my browser. Just making sure it doesn't cut off anything on the trading view. Looks like it's good.
You got to re-add all your indicators and all your chart colors and all that
No,
again?
it's all the same. It just takes your profile the same way it does on the website.
Yeah, as long as it's saved in your account.
Gotta give that a try next week.
Yeah, so far it hasn't lagged or anything. Looks good.
I've been using it for months, no issues. It's great.
You've been using it for months, you said?
Yeah.
It's about time they fucking did something like that.
No, I know, really.
Let me know if you get feedback, because I'm in the car right now.
No, you're good.
Hey, what was that one website that ships you the steaks? Like that was like a premium steak vendor?
There's a bunch of them. Not sure which ones. I think you're talking about the one that Smoochie linked.
Not the subscriptions, but the one where you could just order, you know.
There's like Omaha Steaks. They're pretty popular.
Yeah, I think that was it.
Yeah,
Omaha.
Omaha's pretty popular. They're a little pricey.
You want pricey? Check out Holy Grail Steaks.
That sounds expensive.
Yeah.
Have you tried them?
Yeah, they sell like Wagyu and all that kind of stuff.
Fire?
Yes.
There's like Butcher Box. You can get a subscription to like a bunch of meats. I heard they're pretty good.
Yeah, I'm going to Costco this weekend too. I might pick up a fucking pack of ribeyes.
Yeah, they're not bad. Costco has got good steaks, and surprisingly, Targets aren't that bad, but they're definitely cheaper. For as far as budget steaks go, if you're going to fucking supermarkets, Target has pretty good ones. Costco's pretty good. You're not going to get any like really high quality steaks from anywhere like that, though. You have to order them off a website, or you have to go to a butcher. You probably have butchers near you, like butcher shops.
Dude, when I used to live in the city, man, we had a fucking old school butcher, dude. This guy was like 90 years old, but
Yeah.
you don't find those anymore.
Yeah, we have one near me, but it's not that good.
I found another play that's kind of just like AABB. DSCR.
Discovery Minerals. Thing's ripping. It's already up 67% though. You want to buy it up here? I mean, it could go higher, but fucking, you would have bought it. Buying it yesterday was pretty good. The problem with buying stuff that's up like 60-something%, the downside risk is just massive.
Only up.
Yeah. Yeah, I think the market goes up from here. We have to see what it does with the expirations come in at close. But I would say the bottom is in for sure. ES put in the beautiful dragonfly off the wedge. You have Q's putting in the right shoulder, bouncing exactly where I said it would, 310.
Is Q still going up?
They're chopping around pretty hard. It's probably going to chop for the rest of the day.
There was a 15-minute pivot on NQ that it could not break.
It's almost exactly what Smoochie posted earlier this morning. The quad witching on average does like, what, 0.25% or something? It's up like 0.5%.
So it's come down then in the last 15 minutes or so.
Q's is up half, SPY is down 0.14, IWM's up 0.65, and then Dow's down 0.6. The whole market combined is basically break even.
Fucking hate witchings.
Yeah, really.
Witches or quad witching?
Both. Anything that involves me losing money, I fucking hate. I just want Qs to go to all-time high so you get rid of my calls, say I told you so, and move to the next one.
Yeah. C Limited, I think this is this one of those shipping companies?
SE,
Yeah.
they were getting calls yesterday.
Yeah, they're trying to bottom. But it looks like a massive head and shoulders. It would have to bounce here. If you break below like 200, it's going to nuke. You got a couple gaps above you would be easy targets. But you would have to have a very tight stop loss. Bullish divergence coming in on the Momo.
Ethereum is teasing that it wants to go higher.
Bouncing off a 4-hour
Deja,
pivot. What's up?
what does volume profile say for ES and NQ? Are they like strong right now?
You mean like for the day or like long term?
For the day.
Let me see. They fulfilled all of their trades except for hitting the session high. It doesn't want to hit the session high, the overnight high, I guess you would say. NASDAQ and ES have both not hit their overnight high, which they should do. So we might see a pump here.
Is that within that 80% chance?
Yeah, it should. It should. And I think that one's like 95 actually. That one's like way higher. It missed it by like. Let me see. NQ missed it by 0.06%. Like literally nothing. And then ES missed it by 0.1%, 4 points. We might see a little pump here end of day to fulfill that trade. They're pulling back to their anchored VWAPs, which are a little bit lower.
From what, the session open?
Yeah, it's from the 1800.
Yeah.
Fucking Ethereum likes to follow Bitcoin sometimes, and then sometimes it does its own thing. Or exaggerates a Bitcoin move. And Bitcoin doesn't look bad on the 4-hour, but Ethereum on the 4-hour looks like it's a head and shoulders. You see that?
Let me take a look.
I just don't trade crypto enough to know if it follows those patterns or
It doesn't
not.
really care about head and shoulders. They usually get invalidated.
Okay.
It looks like
just-
a Bitcoin looks like a really wonky cup and handle because the handle is like higher than the cup, but it looks like a bull flag for sure. And Ethereum.
Oh yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah.
Ethereum looks like a cup and handle. It looks fine. See, Ethereum's like a standard cup and handle. Bitcoin is like a bull flag.
Like a tilted cup
Yeah.
and handle.
There's not a lot of buy volume on Ethereum though. Like
Yeah, I know.
on
It's kinda
Coinbase,
low.
it's still gray on the OTS. Let me look at FTX. Yeah, FTX, same thing. It's still gray. The volume is going down, down, down every day, which is not bad. It's putting in a handle, which is so it's kind of bullish.
Q's is nuking right now.
Is it? Yeah, coming into the expirations, people are going to start closing their positions unless they want to get assigned.
Hunklandia, you here?
Yeah, man.
Merci beaucoup on the trading view thing.
De rien, mon ami.
It God, this is so much easier for me.
Yeah, it's
Not
good.
not having to deal with Chrome, so much faster. And you guys using that?
I'm using it.
Pretty fast, right, compared to Chrome?
It seems like it runs the same speed, but I'm not running at any lag.
Yeah, it doesn't fuck up your Explorer as much.
Yeah.
Fed's Barkin says increase in bond yields likely due to economic optimism.
How's PLTR holding up? Still green, looks good. So it looks like our contracts, the 20s that I sold for this Friday today, they're going to expire 100% profit. So that's the second round of puts that I've sold on PLTR that we've received full credit. The next round that I have are the 22s that I'm selling for next week, which we're currently already up on those by 40%.
Which strikes are you selling? Just 30 delta strikes?
I'm just selling. I'm not really looking at the delta too much. I'm just selling the $20 because that's like a big support for PLTR.
Gotcha.
But I do want at least like an 80% POP because I'm selling naked.
So you're selling like 20 deltas.
Basically, yeah, like anything below 25. Yeah, the ones for today are already worthless. We're up 100%. The ones for next week are going for 17 cents. We're up 40%. I'm selling 20s and 21s for April 16th, which are up 55% and 30%. They bleed pretty quickly. Damn, those this today? Yeah. Those 21s that I wanted to sell for next week, or sorry, not next week, the week after. I wanted to get 50 cents out of them. They were like 45. They're already down to 20, so they're already up fucking 60%. That's gross. You see how quickly people lose their fucking ass when they buy these contracts. What did CLVS top out at today? Topped out at almost $9. Thing ran pretty hard. We called that out this morning around like 660, 670. Disgusting volume on that. Must have had massive news. GameStop does not like that 225 level. The desktop's lagging for me the same way the browser was when I try to zoom in and out. Sometimes I get a little bit of lag.
Yeah, but it helps with overall computer health, I find.
Yeah. Doesn't seem like everything else is lagging.
I think it's just their servers. that
It's
change
been
it.
it's been a recent thing where I zoom in and out, it like locks up. Looks like a 1 hour bulldog on GameStop if you break above 225. Their earnings are gonna be wild for their price action.
When's their earnings?
I think in a week or two.
That's gonna be interesting to see.
Oh, it's next week. I think it's Monday.
Dude, it's either gonna go up or down 100%.
Oh, it's gonna go
Guaranteed.
wild. It's March 23rd. What day is that?
Monday or Tuesday.
There you go, Tuesday. You guys want to trade wild price action? There you go.
Is it before or after market on Monday?
I'm not sure.
If it's before, it might be worth a little lotto for a Monday gap up. AMC has a nice ascending trail with OTS support on the 1 hour.
USLT stopped his job of posting the upcoming earnings.
Walter,
Because we haven't fed him in a while.
Yeah, we haven't fed him exactly. We haven't bought him lunch. Yeah, I checked Walter. He hasn't posted next week's.
Yeah. I wish we could pull in some of his. He doesn't have them set to like announcements.
What do you mean?
Like if we could pull in some of his feed from some of it, the data from his channels, like the upgrades, downgrades, price target changes.
Yeah, I wonder where he's getting all that shit. I know he has a terminal. He has like the news terminal.
I mean, either he's a robot. Has anyone ever heard him speak? Is he a robot?
Yeah, it might not even be a real person.
Like, if there was a such thing as like DoorDash rewards or whatever, he'd probably be a platinum member. I doubt this guy ever leaves his desk.
Dude, I'm kind of nervous to see fucking top 6 Tommy.
Yeah, please tell him, or hopefully he just doesn't fucking say anything about NASDAQ.
Yeah, because we're like in the middle. You know what I mean? Whatever he says could mean either way,
Yeah.
man.
You just can't ask him anything.
No, I don't. I let him do the talking, man. I just hope he doesn't say anything about anything. I don't give a fuck if he says something about Bitcoin, but like, you know, if he mentions the market, does that mean we're at the bottom? Since like, you know, this maybe is the bottom of the pullback,
I think
Or-
so. Yeah.
or does it mean we're at the top and it's gonna get rejected?
I think we're closer
gonna
to
be
a
a tough
bottom
one.
reversal, so.
It's gonna be a
Whatever,
tough one,
whatever
boys.
direction it starts moving after he talks, that's what you choose.
Yeah, he's gonna be like, "Oh, it was a rough week." Remember how before I said that the average quad witch day is up like 0.04%?
Yeah, it's almost right on that.
Mm-hmm. It's like 0.10 right now, but it might trace back to 0.04. SPY is a daily buy the dip signal, though.
Yeah, it does. It looks really good. With a dragonfly, too.
Does the Q's daily candle still look good?
Yeah. It's bouncing off the anchored VWAP and the 310 level.
God, I hope he doesn't say anything.
Watch him be like, I made so much money off of GameStop this week, and then it tanks next week.
If he does that, I'll literally fucking short it.
Take all the puts for earnings.
Yep.
Be like, you know what never goes down? GameStop.
Maybe we just like, you know, it's opposite of what he says, but sometimes he doesn't pick a direction. He just asks about it, you know. We'll do that. If he asks about it, then it could go either way. If he picks a direction, then we take the opposite. If he said he did good this week and his Acorns account is up $15, then we short.
Hey, don't
he's bitching
complicate
about
the
his-
indicator. It's reversals.
Okay, you're right. Analysis paralysis. You're right.
You just buy him lunch every now and then. He doesn't even know what the fuck it's for.
Yep. I'm just gonna start feeding him, dude. Feeding him with a fucking spoon.
You just gotta hope you outlive him. Then one day at his funeral, he'd be like, "Let me tell you something about Top Tick Tommy." He'd be like, "Who?"
We made like 500K off this guy, and he never knew about it.
The scary thing is if you would have went in like with a monster position or high leverage when he's called out Bitcoin and ES, you would have made so much fucking money.
He called the top on Bitcoin this week.
He called the bottom on
Call the bottom on SPY.
SPY.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
he did. Yeah.
Dude, the last weekend when you said that, you sent that message, I immediately shorted Ethereum and made a decent amount on it.
Just go,
Oh my
just
God.
take the direction, no stop. What happened?
This is actually real from KFC. Look at this. That does not look good. Doesn't that look like a fucking... You guys know what I mean.
Someone posted that the other day.
What?
Dime posted that.
That's the Espanol version of KFC. Whoa.
That looks.
That looks like, yeah.
Looks like what?
It looks like the N-word.
What?
You don't see that?
Bro, you're reaching.
Bro, that's what people... That's
Now
why...
that-
That's
now that
why
you said that.
I'm reaching. That's why it has 100,000 likes.
I think it looks more sexual.
Yeah, I was thinking it looks a little pedophile-ish.
This is
I'm
not.
thinking we should turn that into an NFT. I don't see no N-word in that.
Neither do I.
Hey, that's why it has so many likes. People are... Half the people... I'm not even talking about it.
Shit looks straight fucking pedo.
It is pedo as hell, though.
I mean, their whole Twitter feed is weird. It's all in Spanish.
They're trying to
too.
be like Wendy's.
Because look, the old man is smiling and the girl is crying.
No, I
That-
see what you're saying. I see it. If you guys want to see what we're talking about, it's KFC_ES.
Using a bullish pattern identified
What?
in the RSI indicator.
What's funny is they leave this shit up, even though it's getting like a ton of hate, because it's good PR.
Yeah.
Like
Like
100,000
that one
likes.
about the women in the kitchen on Burger King. Or
Oh,
what was
yeah,
that Burger
yeah,
King?
yeah, it's Burger King, yeah.
That was
Burger King was intentional, though. They knew it was going to get hate.
Gets people talking about Burger King, then they got a taste for a fucking Whopper.
They're trying to be like Wendy's, because Wendy's like pops off on people on Twitter. Oh, it's gonna be a lot of chop into this close here. What the hell are they even going for in that image? Like that image just it's
It
sexual.
doesn't matter. It worked.
It's like 100% sexual.
Yeah, whatever they were doing, it worked.
We need to come up with like something borderline controversial.
I mean, that's pretty much the goal of virality.
We need to
Hey,
turn.
Smoochie, is the marketplace back up?
It's about to be. They're saying
That's
that
what
gradually
we're doing right now, to
reopening.
be honest.
We need to turn Biden
What?
falling into an OTG marketing scheme.
Can we get a Biden falling emoji, please?
Yeah, like a little GIF.
Yeah, I like that.
Whenever the market's tumbling.
You know there's already gonna be one anytime soon. I mean, they made GIFs out of everything else.
I don't think we can have animated emojis unless we have more boost.
Even just the picture of him falling would be fine.
It's
I'd like
true.
to use that.
Smoochie, when did you say that they're opening?
It just says it's reopening gradually to correct collectors. I still haven't seen any of the All-Star ones being posted yet. I'm refreshing. I'm mainly just curious. I don't even have one.
I actually don't even know how to do animated emojis. Hey, Pepsi.
Yeah, we need 12 more server boosts.
Is that what it says for animated emojis?
Actually, I don't know.
Yeah, it doesn't say. That's what I was just looking at. I think you can just
You
have
can
them default.
Yeah, you probably can. It's just the amount of emojis. You could probably do animated.
Yeah, we got a shit ton. We got a shit ton of spots left.
If they made those two, I think we're gonna get a Biden falling one here soon.
Shit, type it in. It might be there already.
No. It's got him lifting weights on one.
Can you imagine needing 2 hands to drink a glass of water?
I give it a day. There's gonna be a GIF of it.
Dude, look how like that Bernie one blew up, dude. That
Oh
thing was
my
everywhere,
god.
even on t-shirts, dude.
That was pretty funny though.
Which one where he's in like he's all bundled up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That thing was everywhere, man.
Jamie, there was also the mayor or Lightfoot in Chicago. Did you see her thing everywhere?
The one with her wearing the costume.
Yeah, I think people were putting cardboard cutouts of her all over the city.
She's fucking embarrassing.
Lightfoot.
Fucking embarrassed. Hey, she's your boss. Don't talk to your about your boss like that.
Hey, look at this one. I've never seen this one. Look at this. I've never seen
can't
that
s-
one.
Can't stand that fucking cunt. She's definitely on my top 5 list of people that I hate the most.
They'd stop the bailout? What do you mean, Pepsi? They haven't been pumping money into the market like they were at the bottom for a long time. They're still buying bonds, I believe.
We're gonna continue to go up until that stops.
Well, as long as the rates stay at 0, the fucking market is very easily bullish.
Hey, Illinois Red.
Yo.
Did they find out? Did they find those people that shot up that nightclub last weekend?
Nope.
Oh, I thought you were going to talk about the one in Atlanta.
The market's open. Your Zach Levine right now is going for 900. That's the lowest.
Nice.
So people are probably going to be undercutting each other right now.
Which one is that? The
You
rare
hear-
one?
Yeah, the All-Star one.
As long as I get over 200 for it, I'm fine.
You guys heard about the spa one, right?
Yeah.
Wow. LeBron is going for 7,000. Curry
Jesus.
5,000. Harden
So
5,000.
that meme that everybody uses about the people at the funeral, is that from a movie?
I think that's a real. I think that was like a real funeral.
Really?
Who, the African guys?
Yeah.
Gucci, I think I'm gonna start scaling up these NBA Top Shot accounts, dude.
You could probably get a bunch of discounts on these today because people are just going to undercut like crazy. But then again, you can't withdraw your money from Damper. So
Oh yeah, the withdrawal. Well, can you, if let's say like one of my accounts has a couple moments, can I just send those to another one of my accounts?
probably.
Like you can gift it.
So after I sold my first one, it made me verify my account, like with a ID, with my license front and back and a picture. I wouldn't be surprised if after you send one Top Shot as a gift, they make you verify your account.
Hmm.
I've sold multiple
Yeah, you gotta.
moments and they haven't made me verify shit.
Oh really?
But have you tried to take your money out?
When I go to click the withdraw button, it just gives me a message saying they're working on it, and then it shows me the number of people they've recently added.
Yeah, see, I didn't even try to take my money out. I just got an email saying verify your account and made me show my driver's license and a selfie and type in your social security number.
There must be
Maybe
like
I missed the email.
there's probably like 500,000 people with an account right now, and they've only given 17,000 access to withdrawals. That's pretty bad.
Well, I want can people make offers on your piece, or it has to be listed for sale?
There's no global offers. You'd have to list it on the marketplace.
Hmm.
Chip, I think the problem with scaling it is verifying your account with your license.
Yeah, I mean that'll be an issue. But if there's a way to consolidate moments, then that won't be an issue. And if there were global offers, then you could sell moments for $1. Like, you know what I'm saying, like to move them. But if there's no global offers, I would have to look at it to see if there's a way to do it because I have enough cell phones. I just would need to find a way to cash out.
Well, it's the
Levine's-
driver's license. Like, what if they require you to put your picture in? You know, after you start sending them from your sub accounts to your main.
There's definitely a solution. I just need to figure it out. Like, one of the things you can do is have someone Photoshop your real driver's license, and just change the driver's license ID, because a lot of these companies, whenever they request your driver's license, like what happens is you upload a picture of your ID and it actually gets sent to someone in like India or Malaysia, and they type in the driver's license number, or they use OCR, like an automated text recognition, to take the ID number, and that's how they stop you from duplicating it across multiple accounts. So if you have someone constantly Photoshop that number and change it by like one digit, you could theoretically sign up unlimited accounts.
About your social security number.
And that you can.
Yeah, they made. I just did mine today, like maybe an hour and a half, 2
Well, the
hours
Top
ago.
Shot
and they-
thing asked for your social.
Well, it's a
Yeah.
KYC thing. So that makes
Jesus
sense.
Christ.
Nowadays, dude, anything that involves money, it gets KYC'd, and KYC will require social.
What the hell, Illinois?
You can thank the U.S. Patriot Act.
Well, you can thank crypto for that.
What'd you say?
Crypto, they're fucking. They realized
hear
how
you.
much money was being
Good.
hidden from
Uh,
crypto.
But actually, the Patriot Act is what made it where every bank account has to be verified and authenticated, right?
Yeah, it's all because of that shit.
They did it
It's
to
also
cut down on the terrorist funding. So every U.S. bank account, by that law, had to be verified as a either a U.S. citizen or a resident, but every account has to be verified by law.
yeah, and it's also why banks now shut down your accounts from it basically bolstered AML, which is anti money laundering, and KYC, which is know your customer, and it's why banks close accounts now when you move a lot of money around. Because before they didn't care, dude. You could move fucking like whatever you wanted between your accounts a million times, and now like at Chase, if you move around too much money, they'll just close your account.
Yeah, it happened to me last year. I had an account with, God, I forgot what the name of the bank is. But after I moved, I had deposited like 20 grand, and then I moved it out, then deposited another 10, and then took half of it out, and just a lot of money moving transactions. And they uh they asked, God, they were asking me for like just about
They
everything in the world, and I was just like, fuck y'all.
Yeah, man, I've been shut down by Citi, by Chase, because like my business involves moving around a lot of cash. Like I'll buy $500,000 worth of goods, I'll sell them, I'll move money around, I'll pay people, whatever. And like I've gotten calls from like Citibank, and they ask for like source of funds. And after you talk to
Yeah,
their analyst,
exactly.
if the analyst doesn't like your answers, they just close your fucking account.
Yeah, yeah, that's exactly what it was. They wanted to know the source and the nature of the funds. I was like, oh my God, fuck y'all, close that account.
Yeah, like calm down, dude. I'm not funding any terrorist organization. I'm just selling fucking Pokemon toys. But the thing is, once you get shut down by a bank, you're permanently banned from that bank. Like I can't open up another Chase account. In fact, I did, and it lasted like 9 months, and they just shut it down again.
Because they think you're money laundering?
Yeah, well, the thing is, like, it's not that they think you're money laundering. It's just that they'd rather not deal with it.
Yeah.
Like, rather keep the 90% of accounts that don't do this type of activity and just cut the rest.
And I bet they probably don't make a whole lot of money. People who move money around, they want it to sit there.
Yeah, dude, they don't make money that way.
They need you to park your money.
What a comeback by Skills. It's actually green on the day.
20 more minutes of chop, and then we can get this fucking quad witching shit over with.
I'm sick of trading for today.
Yeah, I'm not touching anything.
Yeah.
Wow. Absolutely everything I did on SOS is green.
Nice.
Congrats.
Wait, Deja, so for instance, like the SOS calls I sold for next week are already up 30%. Would you close that out now and just wait until Monday and resell them?
If you're selling calls, they should be more profitable on Monday because of theta. But if you think Bitcoin's gonna go down over the weekend, then yeah, you would close them.
Yeah, I think Bitcoin will probably go up over the weekend, right?
If it goes up, your calls are going to go down in value, right? Because it's going up. But that spread that you're trying to lock in has a higher chance of being exercised.
Do you sell puts?
I sold puts and I sold calls.
Because do you
Okay.
want them to be exercised at that strike price?
At $8, yeah, I want them out of my.
If you want them to be exercised, then you wouldn't sell them.
No, but what I'm saying is like, I bet on Monday, if I can get more money for them, why wouldn't I just sell them again? You know what I'm saying?
If you think Bitcoin is going to go up over the weekend, if it goes up at least a decent amount, the calls will be more expensive on Monday. So if you think it's going to go up over the weekend, you would close them now and then buy them back on Monday because most likely they will be more expensive.
All right, yeah, I'll probably
Buy
do that.
them back? You mean he
I mean,
sold?
sell them.
Sell them
Yeah,
again.
because I
Sorry,
just
buy
posted
them
the
back
position
now.
if you
Sell
looked
them
at the
back
chat.
Monday. But if you don't have a good, like if you don't really know if it's gonna go up, then you just hold on to it. Because worst case scenario, you get assigned, which you want to
Which
happen
is
anyway.
well, if you want, yeah, if you want to get a sign, then yeah, and you think it's gonna go up, you would close it today, and then when they go up in value on Monday, you would sell them again when they're worth
Yeah,
more.
then you get assigned and you get more value out of them. We're sitting right on the gap. SPY filled its gap. Q's actually did not fill its gap. Actually, it didn't have a gap.
If I had a couple mil to work with, that's what I would do is just sell premium. Use all
Dude,
that
it's
capital, sell premium.
That's what I'm doing
yeah.
right now, but I don't have a couple mil.
If you have a couple mil, dude, literally you can make so much fucking money just selling premium.
Guys,
Yeah, and if it's something you want, you can you don't care about getting assigned because you'll keep the premium you collected and
Yep.
you'll get the
Yeah, and you
shares
just
that
do it
you.
again the following
It's
week on
paying
something
yourself
else.
dividends,
Yeah.
basically.
so just wanted to say good weekend to everybody. I'm going to take off.
Yeah, have a good one.
Take care, buddy.
Yeah, you too. All of yous. And
Au revoir.
get some get some nice rest. And I'll be locked down here. I'm gonna try.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to take a walk tomorrow morning in case I get jumped. But if I'm not here on Monday, I'm arrested because I left my house, which is a capital offense by now. So
We'll
we need
catch
to
you on
fix it.
Monday.
Yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a good one.
Peace.
Bon weekend.
Bon weekend pour toi aussi, mon ami.
Merci beaucoup.
Adios.
Adios.
Yeah, it's basically all I've been doing the past 2 weeks. Excuse me, and I'm up. I don't know how much I'm up. About probably 6% or so since I started doing it, which is not a lot, but in 2 weeks makes 6% of your account. Not bad. Consistent. I'm up over 2% today, just fucking selling PLTR puts.
Oh, you sold more?
No, just on all the ones that I'm holding. The value's just getting shredded today.
Man, it's a beautiful thing.
Yeah. I feel bad for people who buy these things.
When you sell premium, you know what it's like to be on the
Yeah.
other side now.
They just get shredded, dude.
I still remember when you first started doing diagonals last year, and you're like, I just sold these this morning. They're already down like 40%.
Yeah.
Some idiot bought these off me.
Yep. I'm fucking idiot. The one that I sent you guys where the golf ball's hitting Biden, fucking Donald Trump Jr. posted that on his account. Jesus. That was the first All-Star one they've done.
Yeah, I think.
So you're probably better off holding most of those things.
And you could say it's the first of a lot of these things. So, I mean, how many firsts are there going to be? Maybe if it's someone's first All-Star appearance, that might be interesting. I think like Mike Conley's one, which is actually the cheapest one on the market right now, is his first All-Star points. So I don't know. People dig deep for this shit.
Yeah. And more minutes of chop.
But I guess like today wasn't as volatile as like I thought it was going to be, right?
No, it's just choppy as hell.
Everything according to plan.
Exactly. Bottomed right where I said it would, 310. And now we go higher next week. If it gets below 310, we sell everything and buy 300 puts.
Oh man, Can took a beating. Stonk, are you around?
Yeah.
I'm gonna DM you.
Oh, whoa, what is that candle on Apple?
Q's is going up fast. Quad witching, that's what it is. Last 10 minutes, they're closing up.
People
Look
are
at-
reinvesting right now.
Closing up shop.
Look at that Chad candle on Apple. Q still has a gap above, right? At like 317, 318.
I think it filled the local gap. Yeah, back 321.
It filled that one? I thought it
No,
gapped
no, it's
down.
unfilled 321.
Penn just went
Yeah.
right to 120 and rejected it. Hard. This closes right at 0.0.
What the hell, Jelly?
It's right there right now.
Yeah, it's pretty close.
Oh, Deja, we'll find out. I have quite a few calls closing in the money today, so that I sold. So we'll
Yep.
find out if they all get assigned.
Let's see. What broker?
Schwab. I can almost guarantee you they're going to get assigned, but I mean, we'll see.
Yeah, for sure.
Any particular reason you picked Schwab?
Dude, I like when I was 16 years old, my dad set me up with a Schwab account, and I've never left.
Okay.
You like the name?
Yeah.
Cool to say Schwab.
Haven't you seen their commercials? They're like #1 customer service or whatever.
Dude, they have the best customer service. Period. So when I worked at Tesla, my stock plan was managed by E-Trade, and I shit you not, man. Every time I
They
call
have
E-Trade, it takes
horrible.
me 45 minutes to talk to somebody.
When I used to, my first couple of years I ever traded, I was with E-Trade back in like 2003. And even then they were horrible. And then I've heard nothing but bad things about their customer service.
And like the thing is, they don't fucking know anything. Like you ask them questions, like you don't get straight answers. At Schwab, I feel like I'm talking to like educated people. Like
Yeah.
they know, like they'll explain everything to you. Like if you want to know like what a put is or whatever, like you can call anybody and they'll explain it to you. And at E-Trade, I feel if you ask someone what a put is, they'll be like, I got to transfer you to derivatives. And at Schwab, I mean, like once you have a certain amount of money, you get assigned to a team called Pinnacle, and they're located in Arizona. It's like a small team of people, and whenever you call in, your calls go straight to them, and they pick up within a minute. And it's like the same people that manage your account, and it's just I don't know, it's next level. I love it.
Do any of you guys ever trade CFDs?
I did not.
We're not allowed C's, so nobody in the
Well,
U.S. should say that here.
Not what I'm saying is, have you ever traded? Not are you trading now? Because they were legal up until like what was it, 2010 or whatever it is when they banned them. I used to trade CFDs. The only bad thing about that is that you couldn't sell them early.
They're like binary options.
Yeah.
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 Dave was only in like grade school when CFDs.
Yeah, I was like 5. No, they're still widely traded in Europe.
Which are those ones that the people tell you that there's a scam right now where they're
Probably,
like CFDs, but they're
probably
called something
binary.
else? Maybe binary?
Binary options are always a scam from the get-go.
The ones where you can't sell?
Yeah,
right?
you can buy like you can buy like 5-minute binary options. Like, where do you think it's gonna go in 5 minutes? It's fucking ridiculous.
Yo, Deja,
What's up?
can you take a look at the ADA chart and think like where this crazy Coinbase pump might top out?
How to get had a day Coinbase?
Yeah, I just managed to get my tokens retrieved and sent over there.
Ethereum is not looking that bad right now.
You just broke a pivot at 131
Um,
on FTX on ADA.
ADA is available. I could buy it on Coinbase Pro right now if I wanted to.
4-hour pivot at 146, which is that local top. If you break that, it's probably going to... You break 154, it's going to 172.
Yeah, I don't know if it'll go run that high.
Your next two targets are 146 and 154.
Thanks.
Break 154, 172 should be pretty easy. Binaries are dying, yeah. They never really lived. I think people really, all the smart people understood that they were fucking scams from the get-go. I tried that, it was like Nadex or Nordex or whatever the fuck, that one that was like really popular on YouTube. It had all the ads. I tried that way back in the day. I made a trial account and I broke their trial system in like literally first 10 minutes. And I emailed the lady and I was like, your fucking platform is dog shit. Like I literally turned your trial like $10,000 into like over $1 million in the first like 10, 15 minutes because you could do like a very certain thing within like 30 seconds of the option expiring, and it would like guarantee that you win the trade. And she was like, "Oh yeah, that's just an issue with the system. The trial system's all backed up, blah blah." I was like, "You guys are just complete dog shit."
Spy in the red.
Chop chop chop.
You see what Dime just posted to Twitter? It was someone bought in the money calls for Tesla, the strike price of $5. $645.
And there's a bell.
There's the bell. You guys green or red on the day, and then I'll do one for the week. Green or red on the week. Nasty sell off into the close, pretty typical on the witching days. We're up like 2% of our account today just selling premium on PLTR. Those PLTR contracts, knock on wood, it's $4 above our strike. It expires in 45 minutes. Should expire worthless.
Big spy put order came through right at the close.
So Deja, are you still bullish going into next week now with what happened?
Yeah, it looks solid. I think the bottom's in. Unless we get some kind of bad news over the weekend. Really bearish day on Monday, I think the bottom's in.
It's like $50 million of spy puts came in at the close.
That's our second round of premium on PLTR that we got 100% profit out of. We're waiting on the ones for next week. It has to expire above $22 for next Friday. I need to deposit some more money so I can sell some more puts. The problem with selling puts is it takes so much fucking buying power.
Yeah, man, I'm thinking about like just taking some losses on some shares I currently have to get more buying power to
Yeah.
do this. Like shit like VEGF, that's just not.
Yeah, yeah. No, I'm gonna deposit some more money this weekend, I think.
You gonna pay me the $5 you owe me?
I owe you $5?
Yeah, with interest it's like 505.
I don't think I owe you shit. I know Clueless owes you money. What did Clueless owe you? Like $20 or something?
Really? What was it for? Oh, it was for that
You guys had a
that
bet.
UFC.
Yeah.
Yeah, UFC. Dude, I totally forgot about that.
No, I just fucked Clueless. It's because his PayPal wasn't working or something. Or his Venmo. He's banned.
Hey, I finally got Venmo going again.
There you go.
I just put it under my wife's name.
Your first payment should be Clueless.
I had to pay my housekeeper, and I got tired of getting cash out. And he was like, well, let me see if I can set this up.
All right, guys, I gotta go. You guys have a good weekend. I'll be back Monday as always, 3 p.m. Eastern for stream, 9:30 a.m. for the Discord. Summary of markets will come out on Sunday as always, probably around 4 p.m. Eastern. That's all I got for you guys. You guys have a good
right, man.
weekend, and I'll see you guys on Monday.
Have a good weekend, man.
Peace.